I'm Kenny Hart with NeoMetrix Technologies. Today we're going to use our new HandySCAN 3D Max to scan this glider here. This is our long-range, large format handheld model, so much farther target spacing on these because we've got a very wide field of view, roughly about a meter by a meter. We can actually expand that with our flex volume, so we can go a smaller field of view to that medium field of view to a huge field of view, depending on the size of our part. Makes this an excellent choice for scanning from parts from about 1 foot to all the way up to 50 feet with an accuracy, localized accuracy of 0.003 of an inch. So this is an awesome model for these larger parts. Something like this, bar, anything, boat hole, we can do it with this handheld model. All it is the scanner, the cable, and the laptop. So very good, very portable. We've got the scale bars here, part of our AccuKit. So they work just like a photogrammetry system, essentially. That's what it's got built in. We shoot the targets first, get an optimized positioning model, and then we're ready to scan.